Cryssie protect the crown.
What up, though? I am back. Y'all, I wanted so bad to purchase a braid bestie, but I'm gonna show y'all my knockoff version of how I created my own braiding rack. Right here is a clothing rack I bought from Walmart online for only $20. Ow. $20, y'all. You know I'm cheap. Instructions looking foreign. They didn't have no details on what you're supposed to do, just the parts and what parts go with what. There is absolutely no wording instruction on this. So I did my best, whoop the whoop, put it all together.
Make sure that you look good. Make sure that I smell good. Let's purchase 2 new Bentleys. I know that it looks trendy. So glad that it's not windy. Here comes that girl named Donnie. Ask if she wants to go. Tonight's gonna be hot for sure. Big dancing on the floor. Folks stripping, I don't know. Money flying everywhere. Champagne, we won't go there. Bottles popping in the air. They'll be screaming, I don't care.
The next day.
So I did racks for this little project. I've been and I put those together. Braid them in gold, and I use gold because my whole area is gold, black, pink, and white. So I decided to use gold and spray them down and actually hang them up using some strings that I just found, cut them up, and then I had put them through the holes that's at the top of the spool racks. They have like hangers, so I just slid them through and hung them up, and voila. Like this is gonna have to work for me because I'm not spending $200 right now. I can do the 10%, which is $20. That's what I spent on this shelf. I spent $20, and I will spend that $200, but it's not right now. We're gonna have to wait till Black Friday sale. So for now, it's moving, it's twirling, it's doing everything I need it to do. Okay. Alright guys, so this is all. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, more do-it-yourself projects, more hair videos, whatever y'all need. Holla at your girl.